Pooja, how are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
doing?
I'm doing fine, ma'am. Thank you.
I saw you've done some research on domestic violence.
Yes, ma'am.
What was your research about?
Ma'am, it was carried out in a rural health center. So it was about the prevalence of domestic violence.
What were your findings?
Ma'am, the prevalence of domestic violence in the setting was 33%. And the most common form of domestic violence was physical violence. And there was also presence of sexual
But wouldn't
violence.
most common form be emotional or mentally harassing people? Isn't that more common than people physically beating each other?
Yes, ma'am. What you are saying is correct, but it is very underreported. This emotional abuse or this when we're conducting a research, most of the times it is not reported. So
Does it have any connection with education also?
yes, ma'am, it has.
What is the connection?
Ma'am, an educated person, any partner, maybe the female or male, he'll be in a better position. He'll have a better approach towards the other spouse.
Is that true? We see higher number of cases of domestic violence in metropolitan cities rather than rural areas.
Ma'am, theoretically, yes, we expect education to give a person a better understanding and better
Okay,
accommodation.
leave all that. I'm just intrigued as to why you thought of researching on this topic. You're a doctor. You could have picked up so many other topics. Why this?
Ma'am, because felt this that I had seen this in general while growing up also and in my setting also, that this was something which was underreported and we actually need to find out what.
Okay, let's say you become an IPS officer, which you aspire to become, obviously.
Yes.
How will you handle domestic violence in your area? What steps will you take?
The major problem in domestic violence is the underreporting. So I would focus as an IPS officer on making it safer, making the women feel safer.
But
to
women
report.
underreported because they don't want to leave that person, or maybe some of them are not earning and they don't have any other means of feeding the children.
Yes,
so they
ma'am.
have to be with the man.
Yes, ma'am. But there are also cases where women are very scared to report. They are even scared of getting victimized by the police.
Don't you think people right now are doing it? The officers, what unique thing are you going to do? Since you've researched on this topic, what unique steps will you be taking?
Ma'am, from whatever experience I got from my research, if we can integrate this with the health reporting, for example, reporting of domestic violence in a health setting, so there the women will be in a better position to do
In
that.
health setting as it?
Ma'am, for example, during my research, we went first door to door to collect data for this. However, we did not find a lot of cooperation from women. Whereas when we organized a health camp and women were encouraged to come there, so they reported much better.
Okay, you're from Maharashtra.
Yes,
There's this very weird kind of trend which is happening in Bid, where women are getting their uterus removed. Do you know why that's happening?
No, ma'am, I don't know the details of it.
That's all right. Since you're from Maharashtra, I want to know from you why GST collection in Maharashtra is very high as compared to other states.
Ma'am, one of the major reasons is that Maharashtra is an industrial hub and the production of goods and services is also high. So, ma'am, the GST on the goods and services, total collection is high because the base of collection.
Isn't that just common sense? But there are other reasons why specifically in Maharashtra it is higher as compared to Karnataka or Gujarat. They are also industrial hubs.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, then I
Okay,
do
tell me
not
why RBI is continuously increasing repo rate.
Ma'am, taking into consideration the global financial situation first, and second, the major reason is inflation targeting. So it wants to reduce the inflation rate in India. So,
But when they are increasing the repo rate, what are they doing? They're doing to money supply.
so they're trying to reduce the money supply and the economy.
They want to take the money out of the
Yes.
economy.
Yes.
So that they can target inflation.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Pooja, can you tell me what are 5 most important things in a prescription?
Ma'am, the format of the prescription or
If a doctor is writing a prescription, what 5 most important things should be there in his or her mind that they cannot miss to write?
Okay. Ma'am, first, as I said, writing a generic name.
Okay.
For the second is trying to write it in the local language, how many times it should be taken and for how many days.
Okay.
Ma'am, the third is other instructions, like whether it should be taken at with meals, without meals. So third is, ma'am, any contraindications if they are there, that combining of 2 medications, or if a dose is missed, then what should be done in that case, that can be included.
Isn't date and diagnosis important?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
But you missed it.
I was specifically telling about the medications, so.
All right. Thank you.